On GameStop announcing another executive departure. This time, the chief customer officer, Frank Hamlin, is stepping down just a month after GameStop's CFO said that he would resign. The C-suite shakeup is the latest change brought on by Chewy.com founder Ryan Cohen. He joined the GameStop board in January and is now the biggest shareholder. He was tapped to lead that company's transition to e-commerce. GameStop reports earnings after the bell today, giving analysts and the company's loyal online followers a look under the hood at this year's performance. But analysts don't expect much to have changed at GameStop in the quarter, despite that 900% rally in the stock. There are only 6 analysts covering GameStop, none with a buy rating. And take a look at the average price target, $14.64. The stock this week is trading near $200. Even if GameStop had a blowout quarter, Wedbush's Michael Pachter tells me that there's nothing executives could say to justify what's gone on this year with the stock. Analysts do expect a slight boost from the holiday season. There's also a focus on gaming console sales and any return to profitability in 2021. Meanwhile, on Wall Street Bets, that's the Reddit forum, of course, that sparked the short squeeze in January. That is buzzing this morning ahead of earnings, and there's a dedicated thread for the earnings call. Excitement about that call is definitely something Reddit and Wall Street are agreeing on. Executives have not commented so far on GameStop's volatility or their decision to not offer secondary shares, which AMC, of course, did. Both sides are also waiting to hear more details about Ryan Cohen's digital strategy. Guys, back to you.
Kate, it really comes down to Ryan Cohen, doesn't it? I mean, he's become like the Elon Musk of GameStop, at least in the sense that, yeah, the analysts are right. The results sort of don't matter in the sense that there's nothing that they can say to justify what's happened based on fundamentals. But in a way, that's kind of freeing. He doesn't have to. He can paint sort of visionary pictures of how GameStop aims to change the world. And maybe that's going to be enough for the people who like the stock. I should say that.
It's so interesting. The Elon Musk comparison is something that came up with analyst calls this week. I talked to a few folks who said that he has the same influence over the stock price. He's tweeting sort of cryptic things like that McDonald's ice cream cone. But they do make the comparison. Tesla is a new startup EV company. GameStop is a brick and mortar video game company. So I think you're completely right on the enthusiasm about the founder or a board member coming in. They just compare apples to apples and say GameStop, even if the best case scenario happens here, if they were able to turn around all of those stores, they don't see the same amount of upside. And like we said, a $15 price target, the $30 price target is the highest on the street right now. But there is so much interest around Ryan Cohen and his ability to help turn this company around.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.